Hey everyone, welcome back. A couple of months ago, I showed you how Clipwise AI can create viral short videos in seconds. But this time, we're taking it a step further. In today's video, we're focusing on how you can use Clipwise AI to create high-quality business and e-commerce short videos, perfect for product promotions, ads, and social media marketing. You can even edit videos using AI chat assistants, making it ideal for vibe marketing with UGC style avatars at scale featuring natural lip sync, and even product in hand visuals. So if you run an online store, promote products, or want to create professional marketing content using AI, this video is for you. Let's dive in. To get started, simply sign up with your account and click on Create Your First Video. Once you're in, you'll be on the interface. Just like everything I showed in my recent videos, here you need to enter your idea to generate a script or concept. Let me show you. First of all, here you need to select your video agent based on whether you want to create a viral AI short video, a business video, or something else. There are a lot of video agents available. You can generate AI e-commerce product videos for advertising and many others. But in this video, I'm going to focus on showing you how to create or generate business-related e-commerce videos or product ad videos using this tool. Here, you can see options like 3D billboard or energetic ad. You can promote your own brand and create an AI video campaign. So here, I'll choose this video agent. Choose it based on your style and content. Now here, you need to enter your idea or describe what you have in mind for the product. Or you can use the example prompts available here. For example, let's say I want to create a looking ad for an energetic drink. Here you can also add your product image or ad from a web source. At the bottom, choose your language, the video length you want. I prefer 30 seconds, the aspect ratio, video style, and other settings based on your preference. Once you're ready, click on Generate. Now we are in the planning phase. It will take a couple of seconds for the model to plan the video based on the given prompt. Alright, the video production plan is ready. Based on the selected format and language, you can see each scene along with the AI narration. And the visual theme is also selected. If you want, you can change it and choose a different visual style. So here the characters have been generated, which is the main part of the video. You can even edit or customize the character by modifying the prompt and regenerating the image, or you can upload your own image to use in the video. So here I'm okay with this image. Now review the remaining prompts. I also want to continue with the voiceover for this video, or you can explore some voiceovers by asking the AI assistant. Alright, now once you're okay with everything in the plan, click on Generate Scene. It will start generating your video based on the scenes and ideas we provided. I'll fast forward this part. Alright, and there we go. Each scene, including the images, has been generated with the narration as well. You can even customize the subtitles, add the background music, and everything you want in the video based on your preference. The Clipwise AI is an all-in-one tool like a regular video editor. You can even add elements to the video, overlays, or whatever you prefer. And here in the media scenes, like if you still want to make any changes to the scenes, you can edit the prompt and regenerate. Or you can upload the file and convert it to a video. For each scene, you can add animation effect for each transition as shown in the editor timeline. As mentioned, Clipwise also comes with a built-in video editor and AI tools, so like Cdance Pro, Google Veo 3, and Sora AI. Each model uses different credits depending on the selection. Here I'll go with Cdance Pro. Now click to convert all the scene images into a video. Alright, and Here I want to add the background music to the video. Here choose the soundtrack from the stock, or you can upload your own music file. So here select the music by mood. Once you're okay with everything in the customization phase, click on Export the video. The process will take a couple of minutes, and here's the result. Now let's also create another video, for example, a promo. Here, the Black Friday Chaos template is selected. As usual, you just enter your idea, generate the plan and scenes, add the voiceover, maintain character consistency, customize the scenes, choose the video AI model, and export the video. It's that simple to use. And here are the outputs created using this tool.
Black Friday chaos explodes outside the iPhone 17 store as crowds push the frosted glass doors. Meanwhile, Best Buy and Samsung sit empty and silent. Suddenly, the doors burst open. Shoppers rush in, grabbing sleek black boxes. Don't miss the iPhone 17 Black Friday storm. It's live now.
And right here, you can see the pricing plans for Clipwise. If you choose the yearly plan, you'll get a 60% discount, which means you save 60% across all the plans. And if you're someone who wants to create faceless videos, stay consistent, and save a lot of time without learning complex editing, I definitely recommend giving Clipwise AI a try. I've left the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you're planning to create. Thanks for watching. This is Sarah signing off.